Okay, how to write an equation given 2 points, and we're going to give a calculator. You have these formulas here you could use. I'm really just going to kind of use, I think, this one, and then sort of, well, actually, calculator's going to do it all for me. So what I want to do is I want to go up here to, first off, new, add list, and what I'm going to do is the following. My screen will come up like this here. I have to arrow up all the way to there, put an X there, and a Y there. And then I input the numbers, make sure my box is out of the squares there. And after that, I'm going to hit the menu. I'm going to go hit menu, hit the menu button. You can see it right over here. I'm going to hit statistics. I started with 4. Then it just popped up with the information. I'm going to hit the. Now I'm going to go to stat collections, 4, option and option 1. And then I'm going to hit option 3 from there, which is this MX plus B. And when I do, I'm going to come up here and I have to change this to the letter X and this to the letter Y. They're not in there, so it tells which column to use. You can also hit this here and it will choose it if you happen to have things like time and miles or something like that. And then I'm going to hit enter. The X there, the Y there is what I talked about. All right. Choose another, and I'm going to hit my enter button right here. You see the enter button hitting? And then it tells me right here that this is my answer. My can't quite see the whole screen, but the M is this 0.58333 and B is 7. Those are the 2 numbers I need. So that would be your answer to this particular one right here. You may have to convert that to a fraction, but remember this is a repeating decimal, so you may have to kind of be a little careful about how to make that. It gives you the decimal answer for this right there.